Hello children, today we are going to learn about computer system, and under the computer system we will learn about different parts of computer. Okay, so let's get started. Dear children, first of all we would like to talk about monitor. As you can see, this is the picture of the monitor. The monitor looks like a TV. Yes, you must have seen television at your home. So this monitor is having the same appearance as like a TV. It is also having a power button to start. Yes, it needs to start. How we can start it? By using the power button which is available on the monitor. It is an output device. Yes, monitor is known as output device, and it has small pictures on its desktop. As you can see, this is the monitor, and there's a lot of, or you can say there are many pictures which are available on the desktop, and these small pictures are known as icons. Yes, these small pictures are known as icons. Okay, this is your monitor. Dear students, now we'll talk about mouse. As you can see, the mouse can be of two designs, with wire and wireless. The mouse which is having wire with it, that is mouse with wire, and the other mouse which is having no wire with it, so it is known as wireless mouse. Mouse is used to give commands to the computer by single click and double click. The children, those who have used the mouse, they would be learning that when the computer works on clicking of the buttons. This is the left button, this is right button, and this is the ruler in the center. So it works on clicks. It can be used on single click, it can be used on double click, and it is used to press, this right button is used to press the right click, and which is having some different options. So the mouse is used for drawing also. We cannot draw with the help of a keyboard, but a mouse is used for drawing the pictures. Now it's turn for keyboard to understand. Dear children, here also this is a keyboard which is having wire with it, which is this wire is used to attach this keyboard. So this is a wired keyboard, and this keyboard is not having any wire attached with it, so it is known as wireless keyboard. So what is the function of the keyboard? Keyboard is used for typing in the computer. As you can see, there are so many keys on the keyboard, and which are all these keys are used for typing. Okay, so all these keys are used for typing, and most of the keyboards are having 104 keys on it to type, right? So a keyboard has 104 keys to type. So this is a keyboard. Now it's turn for the speakers to understand. As you can see in the picture that these are speakers. Speakers are used to listen to the music. Okay, all of you must have listen music on daily basis or after a few days. So the speakers are used to listen the sound of others during the meetings, and as nowadays you all are learning live classes, so you need speakers to listen to the voice of the teacher as well and the voice of the other students. Okay, so this is the purpose of the speaker. Dear children, this is Central Processing Unit. This is known as CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. CPU is known as brain of the computer. It controls, as we have our brain, okay, our brain is giving all the instructions to us to do work like us. Computer is also having a brain, and this CPU is known as brain of the computer. Okay, it controls all the activities of the computer. Why do we call it as brain? Because this CPU controls all the activities of the computer. What kind of activity it does? It saves data in it. Whatever the command, whatever the file, whatever the drawing you are going to save, all those files are saved in the memory of the CPU. And when you want to do complex or difficult calculations, all those calculations are being performed by this CPU only. So that's all for the today. Thank you children. Have a nice day.